The 23rd Annual Variety Bash rolled into Echuca earlier this week. More than 100 vehicles lined Murray Esplanade and the Port of Echuca on Tuesday, with drivers and their teammates dressed in costumes and proudly showing off their immaculate cars. Hundreds of locals turned out to see the parade. The Variety Bash is an annual road event involving outrageously themed cars and crew who work tirelessly to raise funds for Variety, the children's charity. Since its inception, the Victorian event has travelled more than 87,000 kilometres and raised more than $17 million for disadvantaged children. With 300 motel beds, 100 tanks of petrol and 600 meals, the Variety Bash is estimated to have injected $30,000 into Echuca. The bash, now in its 23rd year, will end in Broome in September.